R trains a few days new, a week or so. And I took the pamphlet and I was kind of sad or like, I was kind of like sad or stuff like that. Or I was like kind of frustrated because I see Gamer, Girlfriend, or Angel, MTA, R Train, Rail Smoke, and those Munipals and those Munipals people got R46 F trains. So if I have the pamphlets, I was thinking I can convert my own one. And here you go. F train, real F train logo. Back is an R train. I only have converted F train, R train. And there you go. And then when you connect it, you can see R. But when you're doing like this, you see an F there and an F there. I might convert the other side into the G train. So, anyways, here I'm going to let you get a good look at it. Okay, there you go, and please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. And have a good day, I guess. Have a good night, whatever you want to say. But have a nice time. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Okay, bye.